All available experts, please report to room A9.
Big Guys in bike repair. You come to the right place for choosing Big Guys bike repair. Yeah. It's time to get a pedal in the middle and other things. We can fix anything with pedals and wheels. Anything. Can you show us what the problems your bikes are? Go ahead and show us the damage. I'm sure it's something we can't handle. It's easy to get to spot the difference. It could be a missing part. Make sure to remember what's wrong with your bikes for future tax write-offs. It could have a discoloured part. Or there could be a whole person on it, and they could be missing a body part. Wait, what? Once you're done, we'll send you on your way. These aren't just bikes, are they? Help us assemble the ultimate bike chosen one. Use the mystical biking flowchart and find the correct ingredient we need to make our dream a reality. Hello guys, Lacklustre here. Welcome to Big Bike Repair. This is the main part of the module, this flowchart here. So, we're going to have 3 bikes. So, did our first bike have 2 wheels? Yes. So we're going to follow the tick. Was it missing the handlebars? No, it's missing the seat. Was the discoloured part yellow? This is going to be the next bike. The discoloured part was red, so no. The pedal discoloured? No, it's the wheels. It's better on your third bike, so we need the third bike now. Wearing a helmet? They are wearing a helmet. So yes. Did the person's shirt have a number on it? Yes. So we're going to be using this first ingredient here, which is this one. And now, okay. Once you find the correct ingredient, throw it into the pot and the green flame will be emitted. Choose the correct ingredient or we'll separate you to the biking gods, so chop chop. Excellent, brilliant. But I'm afraid you aren't done yet. Here, take this prophecy. As you can see, it's actually the same thing again. Find the page where the pedal has the texture of the first potion and take the potion on the shelf which has the texture of that is part of that page. Do this right, or else you're going into that pot too. That one. Clink. Finally, immediately after, as if by magic, now that we have the ultimate bike at our disposal, we can pop the 6th wheelie of all time. The end. So anyway, let's go back to here. We're going to be finding the page of the phone that has the pattern we had previously. So here, that will be... That's the first page, I think. Here. Let's just check. Yeah. So this pattern appears on the first page. So we're looking for something that also appears on the first page, which seems to be the first bottle. The other ones don't appear, so I think it's the first bottle, yes. And we get a module. So let's do that once again. This is the important part. Did our first bike have 2 wheels? It didn't this time, so we're going to go no this time. Was it missing the front wheel? Yes, it was. Yes. Was the discoloured part yellow? Yes. Were the handlebars discoloured? No, the seat was. Was the person on your third bike missing a body part? Doesn't seem like it. No. Did the person's shirt have a number on it? Yes. So we actually go for the same one as last time. And now it's this one again. So that's Big Bike Repair. I'm going to do one more example to see if I can get a first ingredient that's not the same as that one.
all available experts, please report to room A9.
So, did our first bike have 2 wheels? No. Is missing the front wheel? Yes. Was this cover light yellow? No. The pedals discoloured? No. Was the person on the third bike wearing a helmet? No. Did the person wear a black shirt? No. So we're going to go for the purple one this time. And now we're going to be looking for this purple person, which is actually on this page. So it's actually later on in the hit. And now we're going to try and find which one is this. And I think it's this pink one. Yes. And you can repeat again. 2 wheels? No. Front wheel? No. Discard bar blue? No. The wheels discoloured? No. Was supposed on your third bike wearing knee pads? Yes. Did the person wear a black shirt? No. So we'll go for the purple again. And it's this one again. So that is Big Bike Repair, or Big Guys in Big Bike Repair. Hopefully that made sense, how this works. Sorry I couldn't sell this. It's funny. Feel free to make your own version selling these a bit better. But anyway, hopefully you understand how the module works, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. I'll see you later.